Welcome, tech adventurers. With a solid technology foundation, we guide you through impressive discoveries and continuous advancements. On this journey, your curiosity will be challenged by the novel that awaits you. Get ready for a magical adventure where power and innovation combine harmoniously, creating the amazing story of today's industrial world. Opening with the Big Gus saw, it seems designed solely to adorn and arouse curiosity. Next, Fabo Vertical Bar. The FTS-1560 mobile screening plant is a mobile mineral processing machine designed for efficient screening of construction materials. Equipped with a tracking system, it can move flexibly between different locations to perform screening tasks. With a processing capacity of 15 to 60 tons an hour, this is an effective solution for construction and mining activities. Intelligent control system helps optimize performance and minimize environmental impact. The Fendt Vario 828 tractor was introduced in the 90s, demonstrating constant progress in machinery technology, and is considered the most important achievement to date. Equipped with a powerful engine, it can easily pull the plow and perform various agricultural tasks. Meanwhile, the Kuhn 8-furrow plow is a professional tool capable of plowing 8 furrows at the same time, improving productivity for farmers. The combination of experience applied by this farmer brings significant economic benefits. Speaking of wild beasts, Gremo 1050H, a giant in the logging industry, asserts its dominance with a powerful engine and flexible maneuverability on all terrains. Every hour, this machine is like a skilled hunter, able to harvest and process an impressive amount of wood without compromising on quality. With its advanced cutting and processing system, Gremo 1050H maintains its position in the wood industry, delivering outstanding efficiency and precision. Liebherr LB44, symbol of strength and efficiency in bored pile drilling. With a motor capacity of up to 670 kilowatts, the machine can continuously create burrs with large diameters and impressive depth. Equipped with an advanced automatic monitoring and control system, LB44 ensures accuracy and safety during pile drilling. The ability to rotate 360 degrees helps improve flexibility and efficiency on all terrains during construction. The industrial sector is engraved in our minds, with modernity and significant human support making us fall in love with all the machine technology. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's great that lawn mowing has been completely entrusted to robots. The new technology, Harabot Robot, is a symbol of precision and convenience in modern farming. With the ability to recognize and locate each plant in a row, the machine automatically fertilizes with precision and efficiency. Fertilization in 2023 has undergone remarkable modern advances. The powerful Fendt 1051 tractor is the vehicle and symbol of maximum power and performance in modern agriculture. With a majestic engine block reaching a capacity of up to 670 kilowatts, this tractor is a powerful companion for farmers. Agrometer's unique and efficient tandem SRS 1500 pipeline system ensures precise and flexible fertilizer distribution. Combined with Bomek's 18M boom distribution system, the Fendi 1051 represents excellence and innovation in agricultural technology. West-Tech wood breakers are very effective in cutting trees on dikes from above the water. The Liebherr 924 long-range excavator equipped with West-Tech's Woodcracker C450 allows for efficient and safe tree felling. With the Woodcracker C450, even large diameter trees can be felled quickly, helping to maintain the safety and stability of the dike. This is a practical and effective solution for managing vegetation and landscapes in specific environments such as dikes. Indeed, you have never thought that the XCMG XGC 88,000 crawler crane is one of the largest lifting machines in the world with a lifting capacity of up to 40,000 tons. Known as the machine with the largest lifting capacity in the world, the machine can operate within a radius of up to 39 meters, creating an impressive working radius. With outstanding precision and performance, the XCMG XGC 88,000 is the top choice for large-scale construction and lifting projects. It is considered one of the pinnacle engineering achievements in cranes and construction. An important project that I learned about recently, the Mamoe New Generation Heavy Lifting Crane, represents a remarkable effort by Mamoe, positioning itself at the forefront of technology and engineering in the lifting industry. They are recognized as one of the largest lifting equipment in the world and leave a strong impression with their lifting capacity and performance. This remarkable success earned him much praise from Martin van den Brink, inspiring hope for the future. The aerial fire service has now seen tremendous advancements in the modern industry. In the U.S., water supply stations for firefighting aircraft such as Bravo 69 and Chinook 47 have become legendary in fighting wildfires around the world. These planes have proven their steadfastness in controlling and extinguishing raging wildfires, protecting forests, communities, and precious wildlife. The John Deere S780 Combine Harvester is one of the remarkable machines manufactured by John Deere in the field of crop harvesting, designed specifically for the harvesting of maize and maize. The John Deere S780 has a high-powered motor to cope with the harsh harvesting conditions. With outstanding power and speed, this machine is capable of processing a large volume of corn in a short time. In particular, the intelligent control system and automatic sensors help ensure the correct operation of the combine harvester. John Deere S780 has earned a reputation for reliability and credibility in the agricultural industry. Fireman's Friend water intake stations and automatic water dispensers are two important components in modern firefighting systems of rescue units. They provide quick and efficient access to water in response to emergencies, ensuring that water is always available to extinguish fires and protect communities. The Fireman's Friend Fire Hose Station is an advanced structure designed to optimize water intake from stationary water sources such as fire hydrants or reservoirs. New Holland TX65 Plus is a modern and efficient tricycle harvester for harvesting barley and various grains. The New Holland TX65 Plus harvester features a powerful and advanced engine that enhances productivity and increases efficiency in diverse agricultural environments. Specifically, New Holland TX65 Plus is designed with a unique residue management system that effectively removes post-harvest residues, ensuring barley and cereals are harvested in optimal conditions and of high quality. The Pizzolato PTH 1000, 200, and 820 is a wood chipper called Chippatore a Tamburo. This high-quality and efficient wood chipper is manufactured by Pizzolato, the leading company specializing in woodworking equipment and agricultural machinery in Italy. The Pizzolato PTH 1000, 200, 820 is designed with an expansion drum system that cuts wood chips into small pieces. This facilitates easily accessible collection and processing of wood, from freshly cut wood to dry wood and even low-quality wood. The Pizzolato PTH 1000, 200, 820 wood chipper ensures smooth and efficient operation in challenging work environments. Egg collection, cleaning, grading, and packaging systems are an essential and automated process in the egg production industry. Eggs are collected from poultry farms using conveyor systems and positioning machines to optimize efficiency and minimize waste. Next, the eggs are automatically cleaned, removing dirt, bacteria, and any surface residue. The eggs are then graded automatically based on size, weight, and quality. The sorter uses sensor and computer technology to determine the right grade for each egg. This process ensures eggs are always clean and safe for consumers. At the dairy farm with a scale of up to 1,000 cows, the care of the cows is meticulously and professionally done to ensure the health of the cows and the highest production productivity. This care process not only meets the nutritional needs of the cow, but also creates favorable conditions for the cow to promote its full reproductive potential for maximum fresh milk. In addition, the herd's habitat is well maintained, with modern sanitation and ventilation systems ensuring comfortable and safe living conditions for each cow. New Holland T7270 trike and 12-row Ferrari multiplay farm tools are very important in farming. The New Holland T7270 trike is a powerful and versatile tractor designed for versatile handling on a variety of terrains. On the other hand, the 12-row Ferrari multiplay performs an essential tool during drilling and seeding. Designed with multiple rows, the multiplay 12-row farm tool saves time and energy by sowing seeds evenly and accurately. Essentially, when combined, the New Holland T7270 trike and the 12-row Ferrari multiplay make a powerful team in farming and gardening. If farming used to make you think of hard work, watch this video and you will see that the agricultural industry has indeed risen to a new level compared to before. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to update interesting activities related to machines. In the fields of Suffolk, two powerful tractors, Fendt 1050 Vario and John Deere 6155R harvest carrots together. The Fendt 1050 Vario prides itself on its unsurpassed power, excelling in every corner of the pitch. Its strong pulling force allows for quick and efficient harvesting of carrots. Meanwhile, John Deere 6155R is no less competitive with high performance and reliability. The unique combination of the Fendt 1050 Vario and John Deere 6155R has greatly enhanced the carrot harvesting process in Suffolk. The AVR Puma harvester is an advanced and modern technology in the field of potato harvesting. Equipped with 4 rows of blades, the AVR Puma Reaper allows for quick harvesting. AVR Puma can harvest multiple potatoes in each cut with 4 rows of blades. This technology also ensures that the entire field area is fully utilized, minimizing waste. Especially noteworthy, AVR Puma is equipped with an automatic control system, which allows precise and flexible adjustment of cutting speed and depth. The built-in storage compartment inside the AVR Puma harvester is a convenient feature that helps to quickly and conveniently store and transport harvested potatoes. The Zunhammer 14M3 slurry sprayer is an excellent sludge and manure treatment technology product. It is mounted behind the powerful Deutz-Fahr Agrotron 6215 TTV tractor. With a capacity of 14 M3, the Zunhammer mud mixing tank ensures a large manure storage capacity, saving time and effort in loading and unloading and improving work efficiency. Along with that, the Chalma spray system is equipped on the mud tank to help the fertilizer be sprayed evenly and accurately in each application, ensuring that the fertilizer is evenly distributed on the grassland. The New Holland Forage Harvester FR 9060 is an excellent choice to increase the productivity and efficiency of forage harvesting. Purchased to replace the old New Holland FX48, the FR 9060 dramatically improves technology and performance. In addition to transport harvested forage from the field to the silo, the presence of the Massey Ferguson 8240 trailer reduces the time and effort of moving the feed and optimizes the silage process for the farm. The tomato harvester is a breakthrough technology that helps in the inefficient harvesting and processing of tomatoes. The tomato harvester is designed to be flexible, adapting to a variety of soils and weather conditions. It can automatically detect and harvest ripe tomatoes quickly and accurately, reducing waste and saving time for farmers. The Ditch Witch SK850 is a mini glider designed and manufactured by Ditch Witch, one of the leading manufacturers in the mining and construction equipment industry. The Ditch Witch SK850 mini wheel loader has a powerful and efficient engine that provides enough horsepower to perform light digging, pushing, pulling, and lifting tasks. Notably, the SK850 comes with a variety of accessories and tools, allowing it to perform a variety of tasks such as digging, shoveling, material handling, and surface leveling. Our Ardapelsruian, also known as potato harvesting, is an essential step in the potato harvesting process and is usually performed using specialized machinery such as the DeWolf Quattro potato harvester. The DeWolf Quattro is an advanced machine designed to efficiently harvest and harvest potatoes from the fields. In addition, the DeWolf Quattro has advanced features such as a sophisticated cutting mechanism that allows for precise potato cutting and minimal loss. It also has an automatic system to remove soil and impurities, thereby improving the quality of harvested potatoes. With its sturdy construction and high-powered motor, the DeWolf Quattro can harvest many potatoes with little effort. New Zealand is famous for its farming and harvesting, especially pumpkin harvest. Harvesters play an important role in the agricultural industry here. These machines are designed with advanced technology and modern features to meet the increasing demands of the agricultural industry. The spinach harvester or green leaf harvester is a machine made by Hortec S.r.l. in Italy, specially designed for harvesting green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, cilantro, lettuce, and radishes. In addition, the machine has a cleaning and sorting system to remove damaged or dirty leaves from the product, along with an automatic cutting system. The Fendt 210P is an agricultural tractor model of the Fendt brand, equipped with the Symatrice Aero Elite pruning device. The Aero Elite is a branded lawnmower for trimming and maintaining lawns and vineyards. This technologically advanced lawnmower ensures high performance and efficiency in maintaining lawns and gardens. The combination of the Fendt 210P tractor and the Aero Elite lawnmower optimizes the pruning work in the vineyard. First, you have to gasp in amazement when you see the impressive Case IH Quadtrac 450 tractor. With a powerful engine capacity of up to 450 horsepower, Case 1H Quadtrac 450 really deserves the title of king in the agricultural industry. The advanced control system allows you to operate flexibly and precisely, from plowing, seeding to transporting. The stability and weight is evenly distributed on the ground to prevent the soil from being compacted, keeping the soil smooth after each move. Furthermore, the Case IH Quadtrac 450 features an automatic transmission with multiple gears and speeds, enhancing traction and providing flexibility and speed adjustment. The Claas Challenger 55 is one of the most powerful and reliable tractors in the agricultural industry. When used with the Kverneland LO 106-track plow, the Claas Challenger 55 exhibits impressive performance in plowing and planting jobs. This set of plowshares enables the tractor to operate powerfully and precisely, ensuring efficient and even land flipping. This tractor can work efficiently on difficult terrains and rough landscapes thanks to its high load capacity. If you find this video good, please give yourself a like and subscribe to the channel to follow the most popular agricultural machines and smart tools. The Ferrari Futura Twin 12-row automatic planter is an advanced automatic planter manufactured by Ferrari, a leader in the agriculture and horticulture industry. The Ferrari Futura Twin 12-row automatic planter is designed with 12 rows of planting and helps farmers to plant multiple crops at the same time, increasing efficiency and saving time. The automatic function of the machine ensures accuracy and uniformity in sowing, improving product quality and increasing productivity. In addition, the device is equipped with remote control technology for quiet operation. The tube fusing machine has combined two segments of high-density polyethylene (HDPE) pipe into one continuous unit. Fusing the HDPE pipe begins with the preparation of the ends of the pipe by evenly cutting and cleaning the surface. Next, the tube ends are put into a high-temperature fusing machine to melt, creating a tight bond. Tube fusion machines typically use thermal technology to ensure fast and efficient fusion. The Volvo EW140C mobile excavator is an essential tool that enables Blumink to perform maintenance work on canals and ditches flexibly and efficiently. The lawnmower is also an important tool for trimming and clearing grass or weeds on the substrate. This improves water flow and reduces the risk of blockages in the drainage system. The Simon Carrot Harvester is now one of Friston's leading technologies in modern carrot harvesting. Paired with the Case Tractor IH Puma 240, they form a powerful and efficient duo for agricultural duties. The Simon Carrot Harvester is specifically designed with advanced technology to help harvest carrots quickly and efficiently. Equipped with a sharp blade, it can precisely cut and clean carrots before collecting them in the central lifting system. Overall, Simon and the Case IH Puma 240 tractor form a strong and reliable harvesting team. In the mid-Canterbury region of New Zealand, the process of harvesting potatoes with the cooperation of two machines, Fendt 828 and Grimm SE 260, is taking place effectively. Experienced farmers carry out this process with precision and professionalism to ensure high-quality potatoes with low starch content. The powerful Fendt Vario 828 takes on the heavy lifting role of pulling the Grimm SE 260, a double-row potato harvester. With its high-quality groove, the Grimm SE 260 moves smoothly and precisely between rows of potatoes, facilitating quick and precise harvesting. Plieger Spreader. At 4,103 DNMs, Tebi is one of the modern machines used to spread fertilizers, provide nutrients to the soil, and create favorable conditions for plants to grow efficiently and conveniently. The Plieger at 4,103 DNMs. Tebi Spreader is specially designed to distribute fertilizer evenly over a wide area, ensuring a balanced and consistent nutrient delivery in the soil. Can adjust the amount of fertilizer dispensed, allowing farmers to customize it to the specific needs of each crop and soil conditions. New Holland NH Blue Power T7 275 is a tractor in the New Holland Blue Power series. The machine has a high-capacity, fuel-efficient engine that meets a variety of agricultural work needs. Paired with this tractor is the Vaderstad Rapid A600S, an advanced seeding drill with a working width of 6 meters. Designed for no-till farming, Rapid A600S helps maintain soil sustainability, minimize soil disturbance, and preserve soil structure. The Fendt Ideal 790 is one of the most powerful and advanced combine harvesters on the market. With a capacity of 790 horsepower, the engine is powerful and refined, ensuring the machine works efficiently and achieves high productivity. With its fast harvesting and threshing capabilities, the Fendt Ideal 790 provides efficient and accurate harvesting of crops such as wheat, maize, barley, and others. The flat surface and low grain breakage help maintain high quality and valuable products. In addition, the machine is also integrated with intelligent control system and convenient control panel, bringing convenience and efficiency to users. The combination of advanced technology and powerful performance has made the Fendt Ideal 790 the first choice of farmers and agricultural producers worldwide. When winter comes, accompanied by heavy snowfall, these streets turn into an empty canvas by a thick layer of snow. A snow removal team operates downtown to maintain safe and efficient travel. The powerful snow plow, equipped with a high-power motor, sharp blades, and specially designed heavy-duty wheels, will take action. At the start of their journey, the snow plows confidently clear each patch of snow from the streets, creating clear paths for vehicles and pedestrians. As you have seen, agricultural machinery and clever tools are not only technological achievements, but also dedicated partners of farmers. Please subscribe to our channel to not miss discoveries, advanced technologies, and inspiring stories in this field.